Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to cancel a channel subscription on Amazon Prime. If you've signed up for channels like HBO, Showtime, or any other add-on and no longer need them, this guide will walk you through the cancellation process step by step. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and sign into your account. Just enter your login details to get access to your account dashboard. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear with various account management choices. From this menu, click on Memberships and Subscriptions. This section is where Amazon keeps track of all your active subscriptions, including Prime membership, digital subscriptions, and any channel add-ons you may have purchased. Now, although I don't currently have any active channel subscriptions on my account, I'm going to walk you through what you'll see next and how to proceed with the cancellation. On the Memberships and Subscriptions page, you'll see a list of all your active subscriptions organized in one place. This makes it easy to review what you're paying for each month. Scan through the list and find the specific channel you want to cancel. It could be any premium channel you've added to your Prime Video experience. Once you've located the channel subscription you wish to remove, look for the button or link that says Cancel Channel positioned right next to that subscription. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking Cancel Channel, Amazon will prompt you with a confirmation screen. This is their way of making sure you really want to go through with the cancellation and didn't click it by accident. The confirmation page might also show you what you'll be losing access to and when your access will officially end, which is typically at the end of your current billing cycle. Review this information carefully, and if you're certain about canceling, confirm your decision by clicking the appropriate button to finalize the cancellation. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Amazon Prime channel subscription. The channel will remain accessible until the end of your billing period, so you can still enjoy the content you've already paid for. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.